Yeah, we know how dominant Adam Peaty is in this event. Will we see him go for the world record tonight? He's stated he wants to be the first man to go 56.
But we'll watch that red line. Adam Peaty, the world record holder, defending champion. He is flying through the water here. He's looking terrific. He's got about 15 to swim. Peaty, after his own world record at 57.10. There's the red line. Peaty in this second semi-final. I reckon this is a record. World record. World record, Adam Peaty. Magnificent.
56.88. World record for Adam Peaty. First man under the 57, second barrier. He's pretty calm about it.